Road Trip Travel Guide. Tips for a successful adventure. Planning a road trip can be an exciting and rewarding experience. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you plan your perfect adventure. 1. Choose your destination. Consider your interests. Are you looking for scenic drives, historical sites, or outdoor adventures? Research popular routes. Look for well-known road trip destinations like Route 66 in the United States or the Great Ocean Road in Australia. Consider the distance and time. Factor in travel time and potential detours when planning your route. 2. Plan your itinerary. Create a detailed itinerary. Include your starting and ending points, major destinations, and estimated travel times. Research attractions along the way. Look for interesting towns, national parks, and historical sites. Plan for rest stops. Schedule breaks every 2 to 3 hours to avoid fatigue. 3. Pack essentials. Vehicle essentials. Check your vehicle's fluids, tires, and brakes before you leave. Pack a spare tire, first aid kit, and emergency supplies. Personal items. Pack comfortable clothing, toiletries, and any necessary medications. Entertainment. Bring books, games, or music to keep yourself entertained during long drives. 4. Create a budget. Estimate expenses. Calculate the cost of fuel, accommodation, food, and attractions. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your trip. Consider discounts. Look for discounts on hotels, attractions, and activities. 5. Stay safe. Check weather conditions. Be aware of potential weather hazards along your route. Drive defensively. Be cautious and follow traffic laws. Stay alert. Avoid driving when tired or distracted. 6. Enjoy the journey. Take your time. Don't rush through your trip. Enjoy the scenery and experience the local culture. Be flexible. Be prepared to adjust your plans if necessary. Create memories. Take plenty of photos and videos to remember your adventure. By following these tips, you can plan a successful and enjoyable road trip. Remember to have fun and make the most of your adventure. Would you like me to help you plan a specific road trip?